How to send Robux to friends on mobile. First, you will close the app and then open up your browser. Google search for Roblox, click on the first website that pops up, and then you want to select continue in browser. Once you click on continue browser, it's gonna ask you to sign in, so you just want to sign into your account. Then you will select create here at the top. Now once you click on create, you will then need to click on the experience here, on any experience. So you just want to select it and then click on manage experience. Once you click on manage experience, then you will click on the three lines in the top right, and you want to find the passes section here. Give me some time for monetization actually. So here underneath monetization, you will see passes. Click on passes and you will create a pass. It's gonna be Robux pass. You don't have to set a description for it, so we're just gonna create the pass. Once you create this pass, then you will select it to open it up. Now here we will need to set a price for it, so we're just gonna do that. I'm just going to cancel. Okay, so once you have your pass created, you will click on it right here. Then you will click on the three lines in the top left corner and go into sales. Now from here, you want to toggle item for sale and set the price. It's for example 50, and it's going to calculate how much it's going to give you because it takes a part of the earnings. So you want to proceed here and you will have successfully created the pass. Now you will just click on the pass itself here, and you want to copy the ID for it. Okay, so once you have your pass ready and open, you want to click on the three dots and then copy the asset ID, which is going to be some numbers. Then what you need to do is to open up your URL and type roblox.com/game-pass/ and here's where you will paste the number. I'm just going to press and paste. This is going to be the ID which we just copied, and I'm going to click on go. Here it's going to show you the game pass, and if you copy this link here, then you will be able to send it to your friends, and once they purchase it, you will get Robux. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.